Hello, dear. Welcome. While the examinations are going on, there's a lot to read. Read again and again, but still you feel that something is forgotten. Isn't so? So, as far as English is concerned, there are so many poems, so many stories, plays, so many characters' names, and even intricate things are also asked in the examination. So, you sometimes feel how many things you have to remember, how much you have to read. And sometimes you might get a wild idea that if it was possible that a teacher would come to your home and tell all the stories before the examination, the how it would be wonderful, isn't so? But earlier it was not possible, but now it is possible because YouTube is there with you. Now in this video you find all the points for 1 mark and 4 marks. You find them in the form of highlights. So point wise I'll give you all the details. Just listen. Put on the earphones and close your eyes and keep listening. So you do it for 3 to 4 times before the examination at an interval, so that every point is there in your mind. You don't have to worry about remembering all those things. Okay, now put on your earphone and listen to the points. And like this, you have so many good videos in this channel. Please subscribe and go to the playlist and select examination preparations and lessons for second year PUC. So many videos are there. You will like them. To begin with, the character of Gonzalo. 70 years old, gouty, impatient, drags his feet, native of Valencia, fell in love with Lara Laurent, had a duel with Lara's fiancé, runs away from Valencia, elopes with a ballet dancer after 3 months. This is real. Uses large spectacles and a reading glass, boasts of being a good hunter and a good poet, takes snuff and sneezes 3 times. The points about Lara Laurent. It is then, that is when she was very young. Ideal, she was like Lily, jet black hair, black eyes, sweet expression, cast radiance, perfect. Villa Maricela near Valencia, silver maiden, a sovereign beauty modeled in a human being, dream. She was like a dream. Loved Gonzalo, but engaged to a wealthy merchant, waited for Gonzalo for 2 years, married someone. Donna Lara now, that is when she has come to Madrid Park. Handsome, white haired, 70 years old, refined in appearance, bright eyes, unimpaired mental faculties, uses parasol. The parasol serves as a cane. Beginning of the play. A park in Madrid. Lara sitting alone feeding. Gonzalo enters, finds his bench occupied by 3 priests, orders Juanito to rout them out. They are busy talking. No vacant bench for Gonzalo. The first encounter between Gonzalo and Lara. Gonzalo walks towards Lara's bench. Lara shouts to look out. Gonzalo said he doesn't care about birds. Lara says she cares. Gonzalo argues it is a public park. Lara reminds Gonzalo's statement. Gonzalo sits on Lara's bench. Gonzalo greets Lara, good morning. Lara objects to his presence and says he should have taken permission. Gonzalo says it is a public park. Again Lara reminds his statement. wipes shoes with a handkerchief. Lara asks if he uses shoe brush as handkerchief. She has a right to criticize as a neighbor. Eyesight episode. Gonzalo had very weak eyesight, uses enormous spectacles and a magnifying glass or reading glass. Lara comments it is like a telescope and comments sarcastically that he has a keen eyesight. Hares and partridges to prove, goes for hunting, a wild boar's head as a proof, a tiger's skin, Lara tells. Enough conversation, takes out snuff box. Snuff taking and sneezing episode. Gonzalo offers snuff to Lara. Both sneeze 3 times alternatively. Snuff makes peace between them. Starts reading. Lara comments again. Gonzalo asks if she could read without glasses. Lara holds the book, recites, not reads, recites as she knew the lines by heart. Revealing the past story. Gonzalo boasts himself as a poet and knows famous poets like Zorilla, Becker, Espronceda. Met Zorilla in America, visited America at 6, that is 6 years old. Lara taunts. He had gone with Columbus. Gonzalo says he met Campoamor at Valencia, Gonzalo's native place. A sad love affair unfolds after mentioning the name of the town Valencia. The gallant man, Gonzalo, loves Silver Maiden. Lara Laurent, who waits daily at the window of her room. Gonzalo goes on horseback and they exchange flowers. Episode of Gonzalo fleeing Valencia, that means run away from Valencia. While hearing Lara's song at the window, Lara's fiancé comes. He insults Gonzalo, challenges for a duel. Next morning, the duel takes place. Merchant is badly wounded. Expecting a danger, Gonzalo flees Valencia. After 3 months, elopes with a ballet dancer. Lara waits for 2 years and marries someone and settles in Madrid. Gonzalo's false story or a fabricated story or a concocted story. Gonzalo wants to conceal the fact. He wants to hide the fact. He tells that his cousin had a sad love affair with the Silver Maiden, not he. After fleeing Valencia, his cousin hid for a few days and took refuge in his house. Next, he went to Seville and to Madrid. Wrote letters to Lara, no reply, probably intercepted by her parents. Concludes that he lost her. In despair, joined army, went to Africa, met a glorious death in a trench, holding the Spanish flag and whispering Lara's name. Now, Lara's fabricated story. Lara decorating her own funeral. Donna Lara tells a lie to conceal her identity. Lara was her close friend and she wrote all about the sad love affairs in a letter. She waited for news from Gonzalo for 1 year. One evening, in despair, walked fast towards the sea. Wrote Gonzalo's name on the sand, sat down upon a rock, gaze fixed on the horizon. A big wave swept her away into the sea. That's all. If you feel that it is useful, please send it to your friends. And you can have the videos like this in this channel.